And the next honor is for the Best Supporting Actor, Web Original Film, Female Hindi. To give away this award, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Abhishek Sinha and Alankar Pandian.
And the winner is Adrija Sinha for Sirf Ek Banda Kafi Hai.
For the longest time, I'd only imagined like receiving awards and giving speeches in front of the mirror. But now that I've finally gotten one, you know, it truly feels like a dream come true. Thank you, Nexa Streaming Awards. It's really special. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every cast and crew member of Sirf Ek Banda Kafi Hai, who has put in their heart and soul into making this beautiful film. I mean, it's my first project, so it's really close to my heart. Not only because it has gotten so much love from people, but also because of the people who have made it so special for me. I want to thank our casting director, Shivam Gupta Bhaiya, for casting me and giving me this opportunity. Directors, Apurv Karki sir and Supan Verma sir, for believing in me and guiding me through the process. Vinod Bhanushali sir, our producer. Manoj sir, यार क्या बोलूँ, उनके साथ पहला project कर लिया. I mean, it's amazing. And our writer, Deepak sir, my mom and dad and my brother were sitting there. Thank you, Papa. मैं 10th में थी जब मैंने शूट किया था और मैंने मना कर दिया था कि नहीं भैया पढ़ाई करना है, ये इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट कैसे कर लूँ. पापा ने बोला करो, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ, just do it and go for it. And thank you, because of you all I'm here. So yeah, it truly means a lot. Thank you.
क्या बात है, big congratulations to you. फिल्म का नाम है सिर्फ एक बंदा काफी है, लेकिन ये सिर्फ एक बंदी भी काफी है जो आपने काम किया है. जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए होनी चाहिए.
Thank you so much.
Big congratulations.
Congratulations. Now let's honor the Best Supporting Actor, Web Original Film, Female.
And the winner is Sharanya Pradeep.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Thank you so much for this award, Nexa Streaming Academy Awards. Thank you, AHA. Thank you, Abhimanyu, our director. నన్ను ఈ ఫిలింకి శిల్పగా నమ్మినందుకు. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రియమణి గారు, మై లవ్లీ అనుపమ అక్క, అ గ్రేట్ కంపెనీ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద షూట్. అండ్ ఇంకా మీద కూడా నేను మీతో వర్క్ చేయాలని కోరుకుంటున్నా. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ మై హస్బెండ్, హీస్ సిట్టింగ్ ఓవర్ దేర్. అండ్ నా ఫిలిం జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వడానికి ద ఓన్లీ రీజన్ ఈజ్ హిమ్. అండ్ ఇంత పెద్ద స్టేజ్ మీద like I'm become little emotional, but yeah, that's the like true thing that happened just because of him. Na film career anedi na childhood dream, it was my childhood dream, and that became true just because of him. And thank you so much for everyone in the films. నేను ఏ ఫిలిమ్స్కి అయితే వర్క్ చేశానో ఆ ప్రతి ఫిలిమ్స్లో నాకు అందరూ హెల్ప్ఫుల్గా ఉండే. సో అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండ్ మై హార్టీ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ ఇక్కడ ఎవరెవరు అవార్డ్స్ తీసుకున్నారు అండ్ తీసుకోబోతున్నారు. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ वन मोर थिंग, मनीष जी, मैंने आपका शोज मेरे बचपन से देखती आ रही हूँ. एंड आई एम सीइंग यू राइट नाउ हियर.
मैं चाइल्ड एक्टर था, मैं बचपन से काम.
या
अच्छा,
आई एग्री.
मैं आप हिंदी बोला, मैं आपकी लैंग्वेज में थोड़ा सीख रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
इसका मतलब क्या होता है? नेन्नु
प्रेमिस्तुन्नानु.
प्रेमिस्तुन्नानु.
यस.
क्या मतलब होता है इसका?
मैंने आपसे प्यार किया.
हाँ, ये पति के आगे बोल गई.
Now it's time to honor the Best Supporting Actor, Series Male Hindi.
Present the award. May I please welcome on stage Mr. Sanjay Puran Singh Chauhan.
Award goes to Bhuvan Arora.
Thank you so very much, Nexa Streaming Academy Award. Thank you for recognizing my hard work. Big thanks to the makers of the show, Raj and DK. I'm forever indebted to them for the doors of opportunities that Fuzzy has opened up for me. And ironically, this is the first time Streaming Academy Awards has come to our city, Bollywood, and it's my first time when I'm doing a Tamil film. So I think it was pretty cosmic for me to be here. But a big thank you for, you know, all the love and support from the entire team. Shahid Bhai, all the cast members, I couldn't have done it without them. And yeah, thank you for a lovely evening, and I Also like to congratulate all the fellow nominees. I think they were all very, very fabulous, especially my favorite Gulshan Devaiya, who I'm a big admirer of. And thanks.
यार पर भुवन मुझे मानना पड़ेगा, लोग क्या अपनी एक्टिंग से डायलॉग से दिल तो जीतते हैं, तुमने वो तो किया ही,
हाँ।
लेकिन जो वो चाय की चुस्की थी ना भाई, I think that was class apart. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you,
Bhuvan,
Manish bhai.
Keep doing the great work.
मैं भी आपको बचपन से देखता आ रहा हूँ.
तुम्हारी ऐसी तैसी सबकी भाव है आज से.
The next award honors the Best Actor Web Original Film Male Popular.
And the winner goes to one of my favorite star, Manoj Bajpayee साहब for Sir बंदा काफी है. मनोज सर.
Sir, thank you. But I must correct that I'm not a star. I'm just an actor, ordinary actor, who's been just trying very hard to do justice to everything that I get. Banda has been giving and giving so much. So thank you very much, all of you.
क्या बात है, लेकिन सर एक बात माननी पड़ेगी.
जी.
लोग कहते हैं ना OTT पे he's taken the pie. I think you've taken the entire cake. मेरे ख्याल कोई ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है जहां पे अगर आप ना हो तो मतलब अगर आप आते हैं तभी कंप्लीट होता है. तो आपको नहीं लगता आप खुद ही अब एक अपना OTT खोल लें, ऐसा कोई इरादा आ तो नहीं रहा आपके दिमाग में कहीं?
यार इतना सोच नहीं पाता हूँ. तुम्हारा चेहरा देखता हूँ किसी अवार्ड फंक्शन पे, मुझे वहीं पे खुशी मिल जाती है. ऐसे ऐसे दोस्त हैं इंडस्ट्री में मेरे जो इतना प्यार देते हैं और जिनको मैं बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. आप उनमें से एक हैं और इतनी अच्छी बातें करते हो, उससे मैं खुश हो जाता हूँ. एंड यस, द कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर वहाँ बैठा हुआ सोच रहा है मेरा नाम क्यों नहीं दिया. शिवम विनोद जी वहाँ बैठे हुए हैं. मैंने पूरी भानुशाली कंपनी का नाम लिया, विनोद भानुशाली नहीं बोला. उनको उसमें भी जो है दिल लग रहा होगा कि मेरा नाम क्यों नहीं लिया इन्होंने.
लीजिए, ये जरूरी है. क्या बात.
बट थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट सर, थैंक यू.
पहले मनोरंजन होता था, अब मनोज रंजन होता है. सर आप पूरा मनोरंजन बन चुके हैं. जोरदार तालियां फॉर मनोज बाजपेयी सर. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
On that note, we would like to congratulate all the winners. Your work has not only entertained us but also inspired countless aspiring creators across the country.
This is Manish Paul and Shubhra Ayappa signing off on the first edition of Nexa Streaming Academy Awards powered by Max Influence and Network. Ladies and gentlemen, अगले साल फिर मिलेंगे नए OTT content के साथ, नए story tellers के साथ. तब तक keep binging. Sayonara नहीं, sayonara. See you. Bye bye.
See you. Have a good evening, everyone.